record my live, but thank you for joining my live. Type in the comments where you are, where you're from, and I'm gonna get started. So today my goal is to list all my items so once a week, I send a shipment to Amazon, and in that shipment, so before I know which product I'm sending, I obviously assess if it's going to be profitable. If it's not profitable, then I'm not going to do it. So Amazon is, we all know, one of the biggest, it actually broke a trillion record on its net worth. And I think stocks for one Amazon share is like $3,000. So I happen to be an Amazon seller as well. I've been doing this for 3 years, and it came up in a Facebook group, and I commented that I do this, and this is a passive income for me. And then I started to get a lot of questions, same question over and over again. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to post a video. So this is where we are. So I was like, okay, when I do what I'm normally do on a Saturday, I'm going to do the same thing, just that I'm going to be recording at the same time. So I've logged into my seller account, and I'm going to go into my inventory tab. And I am an Amazon seller that fulfills through Amazon. So what that means is I pack my products. I don't own any products. I don't even have a warehouse, and I don't have storage. So Amazon facilitates all that by providing that platform for me. So I send in the products, and Amazon takes care of the rest, which is a very, very, very simple business model to follow once you start to understand it. So the most important thing is to know what product is moving, know trends, know what's going on in the marketplace. So for example, right now it's back to school in Canada. So that's definitely a big seller right now. And then up and coming is going to be Halloween. After that is going to be Thanksgiving. After that is going to be Christmas. So you want to always be ahead of the trends in terms of what you're sending in, so that the inventory is in stock and your listing is up, to manage all that. So let me, so if I'm quiet and if you have any questions, go ahead. But I'm going to begin by listing my product. Manage my FBA inventory. So first thing I want to check, what performed well this week? What did I make money off of? What performed well? What is out of stock? And what do I need to add? So I already had some of my items. I'm live with my phone, and my phone has my Amazon seller app, which I use to scan barcodes when I'm in the store to check if it's profitable or not. So now what I'm going to do is I already uploaded some of the stuff. So the first one is, this is my packaging. Take that out. Which one is the first one? The pack of 64. So this is going to be an Amazon shipment of, and I apologize that it's in reverse, but this is going to be an Amazon shipment of all Crayola. It's going to be a throw up of Crayola stuff, because I'm going in with the Amazon back to school theme, and I already had stuff listed, but it's sold out. So now I got to send more, take advantage of the demand right now, and it's very profitable. So I purchased this in store, I'm going to say $1 or under $1. And every amount I'm talking about is in Canadian dollars. And I'm going to list it for $12.99, and it is going to sell. That's the magic power of the internet. So I'm going to make, I don't know, you do the math, over 100% in profit. That's probably 12 times in profit of my original cost, minus shipping, but I'm sending one big box, minus Amazon fees, and the rest is all my profit. So obviously Amazon isn't just going to list stuff for you. So estimated fee per unit. Okay, so I'm listing this item for $12.99, and the fee that Amazon is going to charge me is how much is Amazon going to charge me? It's going to charge me $9.52. So I just noticed this now. And I obviously have to raise my price. So you have free reign on how much a product is. So pull out my calculator. I'm going to pull up my calculator over here. I feel like I want to calculate using a product that has an easy number to work with so that you can understand me. And I can't find my calculator. How is that even possible? Anyway, good morning. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to that one because that's a crazy fee. And I'm gonna calculate that in a minute. So let me move over to my 24 pack. 24 pack is this one. So this product is $24. Oh no, there's 24 products. I have 10 boxes of these that I'm going to send to Amazon, and I got it for 67 cents. And I'm going to list it. So I'm going to go over how much I'm going to list it for. And then I'm going to list it for $5.99. So manage images. What do I want to do? I want to see how much the others are selling it for. So you always want to see what the other store is selling for. The other sellers. So you want to see what the other sellers are selling it for. And you can either match, lower, or charge more. So that's what I'm going to do now. And once I send this in, so right now, because it's in my hands, Amazon is going to list it as out of stock. So because it's out of stock, you want to send it in as soon as possible. So I'm going to pack all my orders. I pack all my orders on Saturday and I send it in on Sunday, and then it probably arrives and then they quality check it. This is something else I'm also going to send in. So every box that I'm showing you, I have 10 boxes of each one. This one I'll probably return it to the store because the margins here don't make sense. And I'm not going to send a product that's going to sit a long time at Amazon. So once I list my product and I follow all the Amazon guidelines, I have to attach a barcode to each of the products, which identifies it in Amazon as mine, so that when it sells and it fulfills, obviously the funds go into my account. And there's hundreds and hundreds of other sellers selling the same thing. Not hundreds, but maybe 22 other people. But think about so I'm listed on Amazon Mexico, Amazon Canada, Amazon US. And Amazon US is the best in terms of performance because of the population of the United States, and it's obviously in US dollars. So I list my products depending on all that, and that's a whole other conversation on how to select where to ship and sell and blah blah blah. So what else do I have in here? So like I said, it's basically a so that's also going to ship. And this one as well. So these are all going to ship today. I'm going to go ahead and package them and label them and have them prepped and ready for my box.